Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. And welcome to your daily update on Manta. All right. What I have to do on daily updates. I'm not sure if I will continue doing these daily updates since Manta has obviously turned a little bit sour. So let me know. I mean, I can keep making these daily updates if you think they're valuable and if you think that they're interesting. But let me know. I mean, I'm not going to make them if most of you think they're not valuable anymore. But no, I mean, Manta so far since yesterday, I mean, not a lot has changed. All right, the price is basically at the same level. If you watch my videos, you did expect this crash and you were prepared for that. So that's good. But right now, look, the situation is still kind of the same. We've found some strong support around 2.9 and $3, which is a big technical level, as you can see, strong technical level. But also a relatively, I mean, it's also a big psychological level. So we have that, and that's good to see. But in the end, you can also see that we're respecting the EMAs, we're respecting the Fibonacci levels. So the market structure is still bearish. There's really nothing I can see right now about Manta where I think, hey, that's a sign that we can actually recover. No, I think it's more likely we'll drop down. Now, that's no hate to Manta. I know that the Manta community is quite, I mean, they love the product, which is fine. I mean, Manta on its own is still doing great, all right? The total value locked is doing great. The problem is that a big and a bullish total value locked does not correlate and is not causally related to the price. So even though this is doing great, it seems more to me that there's some sort of a driving force behind these new airdropped EVM cryptos like Altlayer, like Manta, that makes them correlated. I think that's the main correlation. Altlayer also looks bearish in my eyes. And then if you look at the momentum, for example, for Manta, because look, the market structure, and I think most of you can see that as well, the market structure right now is bearish. And this is a very bad drawing, I know, but the market structure is bearish. Like the EMAs are providing resistance, they're sloping down. We're making lower highs, we're making lower lows, at least until yesterday morning. So the only way you can break out of that is if there's some momentum. And then if you look at the momentum for Manta, that's also sloping down. Not that quickly, and you can better see it, I think, via CoinGlass. But you can see that there's a downtrend right here in the open interest. So slowly but surely people are closing their positions. And I really see no reason why at this moment why we would get a bounce. All right, so I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to this major support level at 2.85 and 2.75. I do think we can get some support there. But again, I mean, from that support, what would need to happen is that the open interest would need to go up, because that means that more people are opening positions. That means that there's more momentum. So if that does not happen, which is something I cannot predict, I would say it's unlikely that will happen. But if that doesn't happen, like I said, I don't think it will happen, then we'll just drop down lower towards this support level at 2.5. Again, strong technical level, strong psychological level. So maybe from there we can actually get some sort of a strong support, a consolidation, and a new rally. It's a possibility, but right now, as most of you will know, it's way too early to say anything about that. But I do think a move like this, probably a little bit slower than this, because Manta right now, there's no momentum. That also means that there's not a lot of bearish momentum. So yeah, but I do think this is most likely given everything we've looked at. All right. So if you do have any questions, whatever, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more about my signals and my premium group. There, I mean, it's very valuable, but that's up to you to check out. For now, I'll leave it at that. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.